I go on leave once and you steal my moisturizer.
I didn't know it was your moisturizer. I thought it was like an office perk.
Office perk?
Yeah, like the coffee machine, but for our skin.
Guys, what the hell? Why is this half empty?
Actually, Dave, it's half full. And as per your newsletter, we're supposed to stay optimistic.
In our defense, the office AC is like super drying.
And honestly, our productivity did improve.
Because of a moisturizer? Did it help you glide your fingers faster on the keyboard?
No, Dave, we were just in our lane, unbothered, focused, moisturized, and flourishing.
Fine, but I don't share my Atoderm. So next time, get your own.
But can we raise one request for a team Atoderm?
Well, I think it can go from the HR budget. I'm sure we do not need any more Rangolis.
Oh, how rude. But agreed.
Send finance an email. They'll approve it.
पहले इनवॉइस रेस कर दो.
अप्रूवल का बाद में देख लेंगे.